Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to adjust your guide bushing today. Guide bushing is the most important part of the Swiss. It's what provides all the accuracy, so if your guide bushing is set wrong, you're going to deal with some issues. Right now I got some brass. Now, the fact that I can spin this like this means this guide bushing is set way too loose. You may have run out issues, you may not be able to hold certain tolerances, you might deal with unnecessary tool wear. So if your guide bushing is like this, it's too loose. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. It's still a little loose. Alright, now see how I can push it in manually, but it does provide a lot of resistance? That's perfect. That's exactly where you want it. You're not going to have any run out issues. You're going to be able to hold the most accuracy you can have. That's exactly where you want it. Now if it's too tight, you can deal with binding issues. So I'm going to tighten it up. Now, see, I can't push this in. I did move it, but that's still pretty tight. You do not want it that tight. If I clamp with the main collet and I jog this in and out, sorry, if I jog this in and out, you can even start to see a little bit of galling here. It's hard to tell in the brass, but it's galling up just ever so slightly. If you get into a harder material, and if this edge on this guide bushing is brand new and it's a little sharp, it'll actually start raising the material, pulling chips, and this will eventually bind up as it is now. So you don't want it that tight. Also, everyone should be running centerless ground stock, but even centerless ground stock can vary by 1/10 or 2. If it's this tight and it gets another 2/10 bigger, it'll definitely bind up. Especially if you're running wrought stock, then you're really going to have problems. So you do not want it this tight. Now I'll adjust it back to where it should be. It's too loose. That's perfect. And that is exactly where I would set this.